Okay, how you doing, Nick? Okay, here I have um Milwaukee 2.0. The problem is it's all short or cell is short. Just need to be replaced. Okay, now as you see, this is I have to replace these 5 different cells. Okay, here is how I'm gonna start doing it. You see, with the knife, I'm gonna tie them. See? Same size. Okay, with the pair cutting plier, I'm gonna hold them, pull them up, one after one. This one didn't pop correctly with me, so here I come in with a regular screwdriver from the other side and pop it out. Okay, the same thing right here. Okay, flip to the other side, do the same thing. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, I don't know if you, but this is straightforward. So this is just straightforward. All these are bad. They're short. Put them in the garbage. Okay, now here is a trick. Okay, you coming in right here. Okay, it has two lead of them, right? That's what is connected into the battery, and this is one, and this is one. What we're going to do, we're gonna cut one of them so we can solder whatever we want to do. So you see, I'm doing it like this. I'm taking this one out, and I'm leaving one. I'm gonna do the same for the other one. Same thing. Here, I'm just gonna cut one. So what's left is 3. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. I'm gonna cut this one. Okay. The trick is that I'm gonna leave a space. Okay. Now I got a pair of plier flat, so I fix them, straight them here too. See what I'm doing? Okay. Okay, I bend them a little bit close to the inside, like that. So when I push them, when I put the battery, you see how you have them? Okay, I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, here, you see? Perfect. Now I get the brand new cells that I have. This is 2.0, so is 2, so 1.5 is fine. So now I watch exactly, it tell you exactly the polarity that you have to put. Here is the plus, negative, plus, negative, plus. So plus, like this, plus like that. Okay, now before I put it there, and here is the plus and negative. Before I put it there, to make sure that the soldering is gonna be very good, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all the cell out with the Dremel. I'm not sure with the Dremel. Oh, this is not a. Let me replace this, and I'll get back to you with another